guys, Stephanie here. So this is going to be a BB Craft product review and unboxing of sorts. On a haul, I guess, too. BB Craft contacted me for like the third time, I think. I think it's the third time. I'm not sure. I forget to just, show you guys some products and to tell you my thoughts on them and do a little quick review and unboxing of them. So they sent me some stuff, and I'll show you what they sent me. They sent me some cabochons. And I'm not sure of the size of these. I will have to put all of the information down in the show notes and description box. But these are gorgeous. Look at these. And they're quite a little smaller than what I expected, but they're still gorgeous. Look at how pretty these are. Like, oh, this looks like opalite, and that looks like opalite to me. I don't know. I'm not sure if that's a crystal or not. I'm not sure. That's a unikite. This looks like sodalite. Get all these beautiful stones here. The pink one's pretty. Howlite, rose quartz. You got tiger eye. Like blue obsidian, I think it's called. That's an agate. So there's a lot of pretty stones in this. And you know what? I think that they would make great rings. To be honest, let's see if I can pick a pretty one to show you. Like, look at that. Sorry. Like if you had a bezel and you set that inside of a bezel, and that's how it would look. Really pretty. So they are good and small for the for rings. But if you were going to do earrings, like an earring setting, you would need 2 packs of these. But these are really pretty, really gorgeous. I like them. So they sent me those. They came in a nice little secure box. And BB Craft has great products on the website. They have crafting products, jewelry making products, all kinds of stuff. So they sent me this one, and this stuff came from China. Okay, and they actually have a warehouse here in USA as well, but this particular items came from China. So now the next item they sent me are these wire guards, or they call them wire guardians. They've been known by both. They came in the gold. This is like a gunmetal silver, light silver, copper, and like a little darker silver, and I think that is black. Is it black? It could be brass. I'm not sure. I have to look in there and see. Wait, let's open it and see. So it came in this little container here. It's very cute, guys. Really cute. So if you are making jewelry, necklaces, and bracelets, this is great for securing your wire. I wish I had a bracelet handy. I could show you. I'll show you when I decide to do a tutorial. I will pull these out again and show you. But yeah, these are great. So came in a nice little container like that. And normally these are kind of expensive because you get like 24 in a pack for like $3 and something. So the fact that you get all these is a great deal, So that's a good deal. And then got all these great, these really nice clasps. Came in their own containers. So this is the second time I shot this video, by the way. More problems than I needed. Anyway, so I got these pretty silver ones. I actually have these, but the ones I have a little bit darker. Still very pretty. The closures, toggle closures. I have this one that came in this style. So they come in several different styles in this box. Let's see. See if I can pull them out of here. Yeah, here we go. And no, that's one. That's different. Sorry. Or is it? No, you know what? I think that is the way that it goes. Yeah. So you got that. All right. That one I like. And then I got this style. Very pretty. Okay. And I like this big one. This is my favorite, the big one. This is a great one for a necklace. Really pretty. Really gorgeous. Like, beautiful. Hanging off the back of a necklace or a chunky bracelet. Those are pretty. And I love the triangle ones. It's really cute. Be pretty for a bracelet. Okay. Then you got some teeny ones, some teeny tiny ones, which is good for, like smaller projects. If you have like a delicate bracelet or something like that, you can use that for a delicate necklace. I generally don't use a lot of smaller closures, but you never know. I don't actually own any, but now I have some. I didn't own it before I got these, I should say. And I got these. This is a nice little bitty one. That's kind of cute. tiny, tiny, and it comes like this in a little baggie. Okay. And then you get these small ones. Let's see here. So these come like that. Very nice. So pretty. So it looks like they got small, kind of medium, and then larger ones. So that's a nice variety of sizes in there. And then you get this little leaf one here. These are pretty. And so they come like that. So you get those. That's pretty. With the little bar. Just the bar to go with them. So you get those. And I think, let's see. Oh, you get the little flower here. Oh, wait. I didn't show you the ones in the other ones here. I'm kind of going out of order. And I show you these here, the flower ones. All right. And then we see these. No, we did not see the heart ones, huh? Let's open up the heart ones. My doggy's in here, so if you hear noise. She snuck upstairs. She's not supposed to be upstairs because she cannot see very well. So, yeah. Oh, that's just kind of cute. Nice little petite little closure here. Toggle clasp. So that's very cute. All right. We saw the rest of these, right? I think I did. Let me see. Oh, no. Here's the really little ones. These are the really small ones. And they came like that. Okay. All right. Now, so that's that. It came in its own little container, which I love. I don't have to go out and buy a container. And it shipped wonderfully. Got here safely. It was nicely wrapped. And these are all really nice closures. If I can close the thing back, I have to, it's kind of stuffed. All right. Oh, there we go. Let me see. There we go. Got it all nice and closed there. So now the last thing I'm going to show you here are the beads, and I believe these are 4mm glass beads. So cute. Like they sparkle. They are absolutely gorgeous. And you get all these beautiful juicy colors. And I like to say that because, you know, they kind of look like fruit almost and candy. They kind of look like candy a little bit. But these are really pretty colors, guys. And I like the fact that the holes on the beads are actually of a nice size. So if you decide to pull your wire through twice, it will totally fit. And I like that because some smaller beads you can't do that. Because I like to string, when I string my bracelets, I bring the wire through, then I bring it back. So yeah. And you guys can check out my I will post a jewelry video so you can check it out. But you know, I was using other types of beads, but just how I string my wires. So these are great. These colors are really gorgeous. Really pretty. You know what? I'm going to do a tutorial with these, I think. So stay tuned to the channel for the tutorial. I thank BB Craft for sending me this wonderful thing. They have a special going on right now, I believe, on the website. So check it out. They have all kinds of great stuff offered. I think it's free shipping over... I think it's over $25 you spend, you get free shipping. And yeah, so definitely check that out. And all the other information below, any other information, I will put it below. Okay. All right, guys. Well, thanks for checking out this video. All right. And I will catch you in the next one. Ciao.